Hi, good day. I'm Maslijan Kenneth Aguanza, 31 years old, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 standard cuts of the whole dressed chicken. But before I proceed, let me show you how I sharpen my knife using my honing steel in 45-degree angle. Now let's proceed to cuttings. These are the different parts of the whole dressed chicken. The backbone, the drumsticks, thigh part, wings, and breast. That's all. Thank you.